the amazing importance of water. Water is super important for Earth and everything that lives on it. Let's dive into why water is so awesome and what would happen if it all disappeared. Life source. Water is essential for all living things. Plants, animals, and humans need water to survive. It's like a magical drink that keeps us alive and healthy. Thirst quencher. When we're thirsty, water is the best drink to have. It cools us down and helps our bodies work properly. It's like nature's own refreshment. Nature's shower. Water helps keep our planet clean. It washes away dirt and helps plants grow. Without water, everything would be dusty and dry. Fun and games. Water isn't just for drinking. It's also for playing. We can swim, splash, and have fun in water. It's like nature's playground. Weather helper. Water helps control the weather. It evaporates into the air and forms clouds, which bring rain. Rain is important for plants to grow and for rivers and lakes to stay full. What if it disappeared? If all the water disappeared, Earth would be a very different place. Plants and animals would die, and we wouldn't have anything to drink. It would be like a big, dry desert. So, let's be thankful for water and remember to use it wisely. It's a precious gift from nature that keeps our planet and all its creatures alive and thriving.